Let's check out what's going on in the shop today. Okay, we got the Galaxy up on the hoist. Chris is getting the gas tank. Customer got a new gas tank. We're getting that in. Straps came. Gas tank came with new straps. Nowhere near fitting. Apparently that's a thing for these things. So if anyone has got a Galaxy, I believe he got this stuff out of Rock Auto. It doesn't matter where he gets it out of. I'm not ditching Rock Auto because Rock Auto, we use them a lot. They have good stuff there. But apparently whenever you buy new straps for these Galaxies to put them on the tanks, they do not fit. So you're best to make your own, or if your old ones are still good, keep them. Don't throw them out. We've had this car fired up. And, well, it sounds like it's got some lifter noise. So we're going to have to look into that. Could be they're just not adjusted properly. We primed it up before we fired it. As you can see, the engine looks like, you know, it's been all, from what we know, we don't know if it's rebuilt or just gone through, but it's got a little lifter noise. So we're not going to keep firing it up. We're going to pull the valve covers and see what's going on with the lifters. You know, we've got sway bar bushings in there. Someone's done it, you know, someone's been working on it, playing with it. We've done a few things here and there to it. Yeah, you see I got a truck box in behind here. Bird Propane. They're the propane company in town. Anyway, these are their toolboxes. They brought them to us, and we've been blasting them and then painting them. It looks black in the picture, but it's actually a very dark metallic green. So that's the first one we got done, and we got one more we're just blasting now. The 84x4, the customer brought us some more stuff to put together on it. So we haven't gotten around to painting it yet because he brought us some AC components. And then he brought us this dual snorkel air cleaner unit, which Chris got all put together, so he's putting that on. The Model T's looking like something now. So remember, I told you, this is just fabricated. This is a 2-door and a 4-door all in one, because the gentleman's a little bit larger, and he wanted a steel Model T, but he also wanted something a little more accommodating for himself. So Mike has been fitting this thing all together, and he's got this looking good. Like, I mean, it's not all welded up yet, but it was just pieces the guy brought us. And I mean, you know, we open the door here. There we go, look at that. You open the door. Now, he's still got to do all the welding down here, but whoop, look at that, how nice that closes. You know, obviously, he's made a structure inside. He's marked all his center points and that's how you do it. Because once he gets all the body here welded, now he's got to start building a frame inside it, right? A skeleton. So that's what's going on there. Don't pay attention to the 2000 Ford doors. Yeah, don't ask me how that got involved. Anyway, you know me. Sometimes I'm a sucker and can't say no. We'll come out here. We got the little 67 Ford short box. It's running, moving, driving. Runs like a dream. Can't believe how good this thing runs. Anyway, what we're doing now with this little truck is we've got the box in here, and we've began the bodywork on it. So someone had started this, and of course we had to sand a lot of it out and strip a lot of it down. I don't know what they were doing, but we're on it now, and we're fixing it up. We're saving what we can for the customer, saving some money. But, you know, when someone else starts something you don't know, what do, right? So this side has all got first bodywork done in first primer. Not really doing nothing to the inside of the box. The customer's just going to Rhino line it, so that's what's going to happen there. So there we go there. Here's some bits and pieces from the Mustang. You don't realize how long all this little shit takes. You know, sometimes all these little parts take longer than the larger things, you know, overall. So the Mustang is here it's in first primer, all blocked out, and it's getting ready to go into final primer now. And of course it's all fitted together. Customer decided the other day he didn't want the rocker panel chrome, so I had to get in there, I don't know if you can see that, but I had to get in and weld all the holes up for the rocker panel chrome. And of course we'd done the bodywork there, so you know, you kind of took a step backwards there, but it's alright. It's alright. It's better to decide it now than before it's painted. So that's what's going on with the Mustang. Yeah, this is a little lean-to we had built a year ago. Comes in handy for storing our parts. We put a shelf up high. That comes in handy. And then of course, because the cement gets cold during the winter, we built these nice wooden platforms, and you set the parts on that. A little handy tip there for you. The shelving all the way around holds a lot of goodies. Lots of parts around here for all the vehicles we're working on. So that's what's going on there today. So that is what's going on. So remember, it's always a good time and old time. And I want to thank you all for watching and subscribing again, like I always do. And we're going to be back here soon with another video. Maybe we'll show you Big Red.
Hell yeah.